Okay, you guys, welcome to this that prank, the first prank of 2021. I'm about to pull this condom prank on my dude. Yes, I am. But I'm sitting in the car right now. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, so I just went to the gas station, bought them, and it's 3 in here. It's trying to hurry up so he won't come and say what I'm doing. It's 3 condoms. Okay, I'm gonna take one. I'll put it up in here. Oh, and I'm dropping it. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 condom in here. I'm gonna keep 1 condom in the car. No, I'm gonna take the condom with me. I'm gonna take it, so I'm opening this. And I'm gonna take this out. And I'm gonna put this empty wrapper up in here. So, I'm about to go take my shower and get ready because we about to leave. And go somewhere and have fun with the kids. So, yes, remember 1 whole one and 1 empty one. And these 2 will keep with me. Y'all stay tuned, okay? Oh, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If I can smell. No, I need this out. Don't start that. Why? I need to turn this. Let me turn this down and listen to you. You say what? I do put my jacket on. I always put my jacket on, but it be in the car. But if I'm getting out and running in and running out, I don't be feeling like you no need. It be like that sometimes, don't it? It don't. So that's a problem. Right. Ooh. I need a belt. That's why I be wishing like they let you try on stuff, because I need a size down from this and a size down from the black ones. Well, when we went, we couldn't try it on. That'll be your scripper. That'll be your scripper. What you want me to do?
Hold on, how you?
You still gotta direct me. Help me, help me. Help me.
Whoa.
Help me.
Damn.
What you want me to do?
That's the first
Do you want me to do push-ups?
Ever heard a stripper say that? What you want me to do?
Do you want me to do the legging?
Do it all, baby. I just ain't used to somebody.
But I ain't used to me dancing with nobody, and I don't have no cash in their hand. What are you talking about?
Oh, okay.
Right.
Yeah.
When you get a free,
Oh, okay.
you cannot complain. I ask you, what do you want me to do? I mean, you be like that sometimes, don't it? Yes, it?
No, it don't. That is your style.
Wow.
I'm ready to go there to the strip club. Hey, you gonna do what I tell you to do, right?
What? What you want me to do?
Bouncer gonna be like him. Get him up out.
You want me to stand like this in front of you and just? It's different stuff. No.
Oh, lame there. You gonna be some lame ass out here, nigga?
They ain't gonna say that.
Oh, shit.
They ain't gonna say that. They gonna say she got all that back there.
I'm talking about you.
Oh, somebody else.
Yeah, so nigga trying to run. Sometimes he want to do what he want to do. His ass about the club.
I guess. How was your day today? Not tiring. You worked hard for the money. So hard for the money. You work hard for the money, so I better leave you alone. Huh?
Mm-mm.
Sit my butt down. I used to, you'll look at my purse and, anyway, you'll look at my purse and get my lip gloss.
Do you like you do me?
Crack the those on too. No,
Or what?
cause I wanted to go back on the door. I don't feel like getting up right now. Crack it up. Move my wallet, just crack it up. Well, you gotta move my wallet, just crack it up some. Turn on the ceiling fan. Right there. Put the ceiling, cut the light. Look, put that wallet. Stand right there. Could you pass my lip gloss? Cause I don't want you to bring me the purse cause I don't want to get up just yet.
So when you want some of my
I'm
jacket?
not gonna pass to you. I'm just gonna get it.
This?
No, that's not lip gloss. It's clear. Thank you. That's what I didn't know is you that tired? That tired?
Energy level slow. I said energy level slow.
Oh, what you been doing?
I told you I was going through young ass boy.
Oh, that's how I went to the gym.
Yes, sir.
I thought you was taught them that's okay.
I got done with after I had already did a little bit with him. I bring my ass on the stairs. Like, you know what?
So how many you said you did?
We done reps.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to see if that wallet fit in that purse. Why did you just put on the back door? That ain't what. How much you know? Dang, we got it. Also, you gonna get quiet like that? You just went quiet. I'm just trying to figure out how you gonna let them young men bait you up. Oh, they baited you. They baited you. You had a lot of energy when you woke up. Right. You let them bait you. You knew you couldn't keep up with them young boys when they were 19 and 20? No, you said they was 23 and 24. You know. They triple your age. Why would you do that? I'm just saying, you up or yonder. You is up or yonder. Yeah. No, does not make it sound good.
Hold up now. Somebody that's always over on the side of me. You know, talk they ain't got no energy. Now I see it one time.
I'm just because you caused you was actually
you ain't called yours
at the gym with some young fellas.
So you ain't called yours like you said.
And you thought you was still young, and you was like, yeah, I can get down with them, and you started working out, doing all, yeah.
But you're not gonna put your own.
And you ran upstairs, as you said.
Wow.
So I'm just saying, like,
It's not.
up or yonder.
When you drinking, then you said.
Huh?
Yeah, you got no eggs or something or stuff.
That little nasty tea.
No nasty tea.
That nasty tea. You feel like passing me the purse.
Wow.
I just thought about it. And that wallet, let me see, could it fit in there?
I think Try to get it to you. You don't want it. Now you want it.
I had to think about it. Thank you, so sweet. No, on it now. That's the problem. Ooh. You put that in there. You put this in my purse. How I get in here?
Oh no.
Oh. Oh. You put this in here. You did. Oh. I'm supposed to be 3. One. Oh, wait. You put this in here. You did. You ain't put this in there.
We're going to spell it for you.
Oh. Okay. Oh, so it was I. Who put it in there?
I have no idea.
It wasn't you.
That's all I can tell you, man.
You don't feel no type of way? Huh?
Great.
Uh-huh.
I always tell you.
What?
What boy I always tell you?
What?
I don't tell you. I ain't told you that.
What you said?
Oh, man.
I'm serious. Come on, for real, we talking.
No, we not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Listen.
What?
Oh, so you act like that? Huh? What's up? Yeah. Huh?
Not to. That's sweet.
No.
No, what?
You ain't saying it exciting.
I ain't saying it's exciting.
Yes.
Oh, I'm very excited.
Oh, okay. So, I mean, you ain't supposed to see those things you seen it.
You see me in person.
Huh?
You want me to see it, didn't you?
Not really.
Rocket scientists don't figure it out.
Not really.
I'm with you on the video. Like the song.
See, that's why I say he's none. You none for lunch. Because it's supposed to be in a prank.
I'm gonna prank your ass.
You gonna prank me.
I'm gonna prank your ass. You know, so you hop in that truck and be.
I'll be what? Wait a minute. I hop in a truck and what?
That too.
Sir.
Oh.
Stop playing.
Oh, I'm playing though. Wow.
Listen, but that ain't gonna be no prank.
I'm here just cooling. Huh?
You sitting and just cooling and what?
Oh, so that's gonna be serious if I do it though.
But listen, guys, it's
guys.
supposed to be in a prank. Look!
What?
Look, the camera is on. That's why I set all the stuff up.
So you want to do what you're saying? You had already told me I was.
Oh, he was mad. Yes, you was. You got in your feelings for me. What we already said. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. I knew he was going to do that. That ain't funny. Hunty?
What I supposed to be boo-hooing?
Oh, yes.
How did you do that?
You see how your body went. You see how your body went.
Yeah.
Come on, turn around. The camera, let the people see you. Let the people see you. Hey, until next time.